Hey everybody, Bill Diet here, doing the Alien 3D UFO box for the month of November 2019. So I just received this I think it was Thursday I actually received it, but I haven't had time to do anything. This is Saturday, and we're in November 16th to be exact. So let's get started here. And so here we are, we've got the box here. Cut the tape open, get it open. We've got our packing list in here, and things to be thankful for sitting behind you. Da, da, da. So anyway, then we got, that's just the packing list of what's inside. A little hello from Josh, sticker from 3D Printed Viking. Let's see, I think there's another sticker in here. We got a sticker from Graybeard 3D. Got some candy corn here. Don't know who's going to eat it, but maybe my wife will. Twizzler, so it's again something maybe my wife. It was really cool. Eat these and eat some like dry roasted peanuts. Tastes just like a payday bar when you do that. It's amazing. So our first filament we have, filament 1, Silk Gold Pro Select. I haven't tried this yet. I do have a subscription to the Profi box that I get every month. Hopefully they'll get that in the Profi box 1 month. Don't know. Supposed to arrive today, my Profi box actually. The next up we have 3D Warhorse Flesh PLA. And then we have Greengate 3D Clear Recycled PET G. So this is a company that's located fairly local. I'm in Murrieta, they're in San Diego, and they're recycling. Everything they have is recycled PET G so far, and that's really cool. Support them if you can. Then we have 3D Passion Atlantic Blue Sky. Then for the things this month, we have a box that contains a cutting tool, or a deburring tool. So here's a deburring tool. It's right here. I've attached one of the blades. You can unclip it here. You push this button, and you can pull it out and replace it with a package of blades. So this is great for deburring your plastic and your metal, by the way. So if you drill the hole into like aluminum, I don't think it works so great on steel because I don't think these blades are I don't think they're carbide. I don't know if they're carbide or not. It doesn't say on the packaging, so I don't know. So it may not work so great on steel, but on aluminum it works great. You take it and you put it in the hole and you just go around the hole and it'll automatically rotate. It just spins freely inside. Got a nice sharp edge and it'll clean off, like when you drill through and you bust through the other side and it leaves little burrs, it'll remove all that and make it really clean. The other thing that's in here this month is a soundboard, which is supposed to be pre-recorded with gobble 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 from turkeys. Unfortunately, I think the batteries are already dead on this because they were left, attached, and in shipment or whatever, they could have been trying to run all the time and gobbling all the way. Oh, there it goes. It worked. Never mind. It's actually working. So there's the turkey gobbling. So yeah, it actually is working. Okay, so that's working. You can re-record on this. All you got to do is just push this little red button on it. It's got a red button, and you plug in, through with a 2.5, I think it's 2.5 millimeter headphone jack into an iPad or something, and you record any sound. This is good for 30 seconds of sound. And that is everything that's in the UFO box for the month of November. I don't know if I'm going to print with these yet. I may print one of the busts that I haven't printed yet from Wexter. Might print one of his things using this gold. Maybe something else with some of the other colors too. Some of the other busts that I haven't printed yet. So like he was working on the young version of Yoda, which looked like a Maui, which is basically from Gremlins, if you remember that. So it looks very similar to that. But Yeah, so he's putting the young one. If you've seen the new series, The Mandalorian, they have at the very end is a young, obviously young Yoda. So, which he would actually send there to kill, or to capture alive, and the robot one was sent there to kill him. Anyway, spoilers. Sorry, spoiling the movie. Anyway, so that's it. End of November's version. I'll be doing my other video later on today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Sorry if I irritated some people. They gave me a thumbs down on my last month because I was talking too much about my Raven, I guess. Anyway, some people gotta hate. You know how that goes. So, anyway, that's it. Have a good one. Build it out. Build it out, rather. Bye.